welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you plenty of cleaning motivation. I made a to-do list, so there's a few things I need to tackle, but first there's something I want to show you guys.
Newair recently sent me their new 160 can freestanding beverage fridge in stainless steel, which I'm so excited about, y'all. It's their most spacious and versatile freestanding fridge. The shelves are adjustable so you can optimize your storage space. It has a digital thermostat of 37 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for kitchens, home bars, and more. I can put all of my kids' drinks in here and still have space left. So if you would like to look into this fridge, I will make sure to leave the link down in my description box with a 20% off coupon, which is Yesenia a Mom's Life.
So this is my to-do list. My plan is to clean out the fridge, clean the oven, organize the Tupperware area, because y'all know that can easily get all jacked up, and organize under the sink, and clean and donate one of the cabinets that I have is full of cups and stuff, and to see if I could clean that out. So let's hope I could tackle most of this today. First, I also wanted to show you guys my herbs. This one is cilantro, and this one is cilantro. This one is dill. Once I planted them, I kind of forgot which one was where, but now that I see them growing, I know which one is which. Basil still has not grown yet, but these are doing so well, and they're easy to take care of. All you do is just plant them and add water. That's it. There's no maintenance or anything like that. But I'm getting ready to add some water. It's been like a few days since I've done that. And this one too. Oh, I just love my herbs. I'm gonna see if I could have them for a few months. Last time I didn't, once fall came, I got rid of them, but this time I'm gonna see if I could keep them a little longer. It's also raining outside, so I consider this a rainy day project, y'all. So let's get started. Guys, I am ashamed to say that I have not cleaned out my fridge in over a month. I think the last time we did a grocery haul was maybe 3 weeks to a month ago. I don't know, y'all. I've been home for so long that the days just like run together. But it's time to clean it because it was pretty disgusting in there. Most of the time, whenever I do clean out the fridge, I always do it right before I go grocery shopping. And the more the food has been eaten and it starts to become more empty, it's easier for me to clean. So that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. While I was cleaning out this container, I got this container from TJ Maxx, and I noticed that the tag was still on here. So I paid $4.99 for this container. And most of the time when you see containers like this, that's where it normally comes from, either like TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Baby, I don't even bother whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary. I get all of my amber bottles from Amazon, and anything that I pretty much use is in my Amazon favorites down in my description box, just in case you guys are looking for that. But right now I'm getting ready to make my DIY cleaner because I was pretty much out, and I use about a cup or 3/4 cup of vinegar. I use about 3/4 cup also of rubbing alcohol, and then I use 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish soap or whatever dish soap that you have, doesn't matter. And then I do 30 drops of your favorite essential oils. This time I don't always use the same exact essential oil. Sometimes I want lavender, sometimes I want a little peppermint, sometimes it's lemon. This time I finished the rest of the lemon that I had, and then I use basil.
Once you add your essential oils, I fill the rest of the way up with water.
Nevertheless, I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. Begging you to choose me, so come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. It's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Every day is getting harder. Begging you to choose me, so come and take my breath away. 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 Every day is getting harder. Begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. Never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way.
Oh, I think it was last week. I cleaned the door of the fridge where I keep all of my condiments because I had something spilled at the top of the container and it dripped all the way down. So I cleaned all that stuff out. So luckily I don't have to do that.
If only you could tell me why you disappeared.
I'm getting ready to wash the containers from the bottom part of the fridge and the glass part because it was pretty dirty. My husband actually wiped the bottom of the fridge for me up, so like that when he put the containers in there, it would be already clean.
You didn't think you should explain. Like I don't care, you're kidding me. Don't do that.
I have to say something. The days that my husband is not working are my favorite days, and I could definitely feel it when he's working because the job kind of triples for me. But when he is home, when I tell y'all, he is the best. He cooks, he cleans, like he helps me out. He will cook, and I'm thinking, okay, so he cooked, I'm getting ready to clean the kitchen because I mean that's only fair, 50-50, right? My husband already starts cleaning the kitchen, tells me to go ahead and do what I want to do. I'm like, I'm here to help you, but he is more than willing to help and always helps me out.
Following your every move. I tried to be the best for you. When you broke my heart in two. Oh, saying you didn't know, but I know you do. It's a fact. Oh, I don't tell anybody, no, that I'm feeling so miserable.
What I have right here is the breakfast dishes from the kids actually eating cereal. The dishwasher was full of dishes. So after my husband actually dried off the stuff for the fridge, he went ahead and emptied the dishwasher because you guys know I don't empty dishwashers. I really don't like it. I do it only when I have to, but that's one of my least favorite jobs.
Footprints in the dirt, following your every move. Just because you hurt doesn't mean my heart don't want you.
If you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button because it helps my channel a ton. Thank you guys.
Even though it hurts.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth.
So comment down below, what have you been tackling around your house? Today was a rainy day, and honestly, it's been raining all week, but y'all, I am not complaining. It has been in the top 90s here in the South. It was 95 just yesterday. My hair, as soon as I took my braids out, I was ready for my hair to come back, but then I went outside and my hair became a big poof. So I was looking forward to the rain, y'all, but usually on rainy days, I kind of like to tackle different things. So on this day, I made sure to tackle a few things off my list, and I was hoping I got everything done, and I did.
I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional. Thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love.
I got this glue gun from Marshall's. I can't remember how much I paid. Oh, I paid $4.79. There you go. And it works pretty good. I'm trying to keep on top of the oven. I'm trying not to let it get so bad that I have to do such a big job. I can't use a very harsh oven cleaner because I have asthma and then I can't breathe, and can't nobody have me, passed out on the floor. We can't have that. So I use this glue gun and it works pretty well. So all I have to do is just spray it down. I let it sit there for like 30 minutes, and I sprayed the oven rack as well, but I did that in the bathtub since I had to clean the bathtub anyway.
I'm hypnotized. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Okay, so who else has a messy Tupperware area? Like, I always organize this section, but it always gets messed up because we just put the stuff back in there. We don't care how it goes, I guess. But luckily, I did get rid of some containers that I knew I was not using. The last time I decluttered the Tupperware cabinet, I did get rid of some stuff, but I kept those containers just in case because I did not want to get rid of them just yet. But it's been a few months and I still haven't used them, so I put them in the donation pile.
Where my heart is at, don't want you to know. My love is lost.
If you have any question as far as where I get my glass container from, half of them come from Costco and the other half come from Sam's Club.
So I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back. Just say I'll say goodbye. Yeah, don't call me back. Just say goodbye. I can change the past. Don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any of it real? Was it real? Oh.
Here is where I mainly keep my pots and pans, and my favorite slow cooker, which is the Pioneer Woman one, is huge. I just wanted to reorganize this a little bit more, and I took out, I think it was 2 small pots that I was not using.
Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back. Just say I'll say goodbye. Tired of crying, don't call
So this is what the bottom of my kitchen sink looks like, a hot mess. And y'all know I am a product hog, so I pretty much have a lot of cleaners, and each cleaner has its purpose, okay? That's my excuse. Each one has a thing I use it for. I did get rid of a few, which one of them was a Comet Kitchen bleach cleaner, and I got that from Dollar Tree. It works good, but it's very strong, and it kind of messed up a few of my shirts because of the way it sprays. It kind of sprays kind of messy where it gets everywhere, and it messed up my shirt, so I just got rid of it.
You just tell me. I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be.
Last but not least, this is the cabinet where I keep my kids' cups, paper plates, forks, spoons, stuff like that, and my glass jars. I got rid of a few of my glass jars. I kind of collect them in a way. If the glass jar looked like it could be used for something else, I kind of keep them. But I did get rid of a few of them because I had too many. And my daughter has a lot of cups. She likes Dollar Tree cups, y'all. If y'all didn't know, Destiny likes Dollar Tree cups, but she likes seasonal Dollar Tree cups. Like if it's Christmas, she wants the latest Dollar Tree cup. If it's Valentine's Day, she wants a Valentine's Day cup. If it's summer, which guess what, she has a watermelon cup, a flamingo cup, and a mermaid cup now. I have to make her sometimes get rid of her collection, but I think she got it from her mama because I kind of collect Ray Dunn, so I can't say too much. So glad that I was able to make more space. I'm getting ready to donate the stuff that I'm getting rid of. So that's going to my donation container that I keep in the garage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.
It's way past time.